Do you find many people are taking this approach? Like, are there other investors out there driving for dollars? I mean, that's basically what this approach is.
Well, honestly, because it's the nature of the business, there's not that much competition.
Yeah.
There are investors, like me, who actually do it, and I find that a lot of them either they're also a real estate agent, but they'll go in there like this one guy. Man, this guy was a character because I was in there, and it was a couple years back, and I knew the park manager, and we were talking, and then he comes in, he's like, "Excuse me," and I'm like, "Okay, I'm gonna get back here." I can tell right away he was an investor because he had his little Bluetooth on
Yeah,
and,
exactly.
oh, I'm closing the deal. And it's like, hey, I'm an investor and, I want to buy some of these homes. And she's just kind of like, okay, well, here's our phone number and this is our address. Feel free to drive by and look at the for sale signs. But is he going to get leads from that mobile home park manager? Probably not.
Mm.
And then he just kind of left.